Okay, this Form 4 Chapter 1. Okay, before we look at Form 4 Chapter 1, we look at the format of Maths KSSM in SPM. So Form 4 Chapter 1, there are 10 chapters, Chapter 1 to Chapter 10. Okay, these are module. Then we look at the format. The format, okay, paper 1, 40 questions, 1 hour, 30 minutes. Paper 2, 2 hours, 30 minutes. So paper 1 will be objective, 40 marks only. Paper 2 is 100 marks. Okay, so they are session A, session B, session C. Session A is 10 marks, must answer all. Session B is 5 marks, must answer all. Five questions, sorry. 10 questions, answer all. 5 questions, session B, answer all. Session C got 2 questions, but only answer 1 question. Okay, so you can use all the scientific both also must bring then this one must bring your geometry set. So total mass 140, then you must divide by 140, your mark divide 140 times 100. Then this formula from textbook, but not in SPM. So SPM formula will be this one. Okay, so we look at this topic 1. Okay, quadratic functions and equations in one variable. Okay, chapter 1, quadratic functions and equations in one variable. So you must understand what is quadratic function and you must understand what is equation. Okay, so this equation, okay, this equation, this general form. So you got a found x squared, this square, x squared, and this is quadratic. Okay, so this equation, okay, equal. So this general form, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. It can be negative. Quadratic expression is called expression. Quadratic means x power 2. X power 2. One variable means the highest is x power 2. Can be x. Without x also can, but it must be x power 2. One variable means one unknown only. X or one y only. Y type. Y only. Or y. Not be yx. So two variables. Not quadratic expression with one variable. This is not quadratic. This is cubic. Highest power is not 2. Then this is two variable x and y. This one is x at the bottom. So the x power 2 here, but it's at the bottom. So when you put on top, it's x power negative 2. So it's not power 2. If x at the bottom, power 1 is cubic, no, reciprocal. Okay, there's no x power 2 at the bottom from what we learned in KSSM. So x is called variable. Okay, highest power is 2. ABC is a constant. Okay, characteristic of quadratic function. So this is the function not equal to 0. Got y equal to of x equal to ax squared plus bx plus c is the quadratic form, but must have 0 equal to 0. That's quadratic form. So a is not equal to 0 because if a is 0, that means there is no x power 2. Okay, included number 1, curve shape. It's either u or n curve shape. Okay. Number 2, maximum or minimum. This is minimum point. That is maximum peak. Number 3, axis of symmetry, parallel to y-axis. So this is called axis of symmetry. So I can draw for you to see. This is called axis of symmetry. It means this one line and this one line is same. Okay, joined together like mirror. Okay, this axis of symmetry. Okay, A positive is a U shape. Is this A positive? Because quadratic is power 2, so U shape. If negative, maximum N shape. Then we look at example 1. A. Determine whether the function is a quadratic function or not. Okay. So we look here. Gx equal to 2x, 2 minus 3x plus 5. Okay. So this one. So to check whether it's a quadratic function or not, you expand, multiply 2x times 2, okay, you get 4x. 2x times negative 3x, okay, negative 6x squared plus 5. Okay, so the x squared must be in front. So this is quadratic function because x power 2. Okay, doesn't matter it's negative, positive. Okay, then B, state the general shape of the graph of quadratic functions, either u or n. So this one is negative in front of x power 2, so the shape is negative, and smile means is u, means is positive. Okay, in front of x squared, look at in front of x squared. Then C, the diagram shows the sketch of the graph. Okay, the graph sketch is given here. There is answer. This one question given. Have x equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3. Determine number one, symmetry axis of the graph. So the symmetry is this one. Okay, so symmetry line. So to get this symmetry axis, you can look at the points. Okay, you see this one line same. Okay, as or as x-axis. So here is 1, here is 3. So to get the uh, symmetry axis, so x plus 3, x and 3 plus divided by 2, because middle point. So it's 4, 4 only divided by 2. You use calculator, so you get 2. So you must write x equal to 2. Only this is the line x equal to 2. You write 2 is wrong. It's not axis of symmetry. You must get the line. This line is x equal to 2. You write 2, where is 2? Okay. So sometimes you can use this formula. Okay, it means from the formula negative b over 2a. This a, this b. So negative 4 divide 1. Divide 2 power, multiply 1. So it's 4 divided by 2 is 2. Negative, negative, positive. Same method, but this one will be easier lah for you. Unless those learn maths one. Okay. Then from here, number 2, the minimum point coordinates of graph. Okay, so you got this is the minimum point. So because you got the value of x is 2, so you want to find y. So using this graph equation, okay, function, okay, so you can replace the 2 inside the x. Okay, so I replace inside x, replace 2, 2 must put bracket, then you replace 2 power 2 minus 4 bracket 2 plus 3. So using calculator, you get equal to negative 1. So minimum point is x is 2, y is negative 1. Then we look here, okay, type of relation of a quadratic function is, okay, for quadratic is many to 1. Okay, x can be positive, can be negative, but only when output you get 0. Example, if you put 1, 1 square minus 1, you get 0. Negative 1, bracket negative 1 square, you get 1. 1 minus 1 is 0 also. So many to 1. Okay, that's quadratic. Linear is 1 to 1 only. 1 to many is not quadratic function. Many to many is not quadratic function. Okay, only many to 1. So quadratic equation, okay, equation got equal to 0. So this one like Hawk's question. Aiman is 4 years older than his younger brother. The product of Aiman and his younger brother's ages is equal to his father's age. The father is 30-year-old and Aiman's brother is P years old. Write a quadratic equation in terms of P. You must write down everything, then you can see easier. So Aiman is put X. So Aiman younger brother will put P. Okay. Then you see Aiman X equal to 4 years older than his brother, means 4 plus P. P plus 4, let's say is 8, 8 years old. Okay, brother 8 years old, 8 plus 4 is Aiman. He was younger, brother younger. Then the product multiplier, Aiman and younger brother, x times P equal to 48. Okay, so you want to find P, x. So 48 over P, then only you can replace inside. 48 over P, okay, replace into x, so 48 P equal to 4 plus P. Then from here, I can write the quadratic equation in terms of P, no x anymore. So P bring over, become P times 4, 4P, P times P squared. Must multiply everything, multiply everything. Then you must make sure the P square must be positive. So 4P square plus 4P, P square plus 4P, 48 bring over, negative 48 equal to 0. Okay, that's the final answer. Then example 3. Okay, determine whether x equal to negative 5 and x equal to 0 is the root of x squared plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So you can replace x with negative 5 and get 0 or not. X replaced with 0, you can get 0 or not. If can, then it's the root. If cannot, then it's not root. So if x negative 5, replace inside negative 5 bracket square plus 4 bracket negative 5 minus 5, I get answer 0. So negative 5 is the root. Okay, means the x is negative 5. X0, I put inside 0 bracket square plus 4 bracket 0 minus 5. Okay, use calculator, everything use calculator, equal to negative 5. So it's not 0, not equal. So 0 is not the root. Then 4 methods to find roots of quadratic equations. There are 4 methods: factorization, try and error method, completing the square using the formula. MS is completing the square, okay, and using the formula. We only, at the moment, we learn from 4 is factorization. Okay, so we look at example 4. Solve quadratic equation x squared minus 2x equal to 0 by factoring. Okay, so you can factorize because this one 2 only, not 3. So you use this method. X and x same, take out. X squared take out, left only 1x. X take out, left no x, so minus 2 only, so bracket. So x equal to 0, x minus 2 equal to 0. Then negative 2 bring over, positive 2. So 2 answer. First one solve. Solve means find answer. Find x value. So example 5, solve. So find the value. So here got a only, you find a. So 16 a squared minus 25 equal to 0 by factoring. Okay. So this one because here a square, here no a, you not use the method. So the just 16 and 25, I can see the square. Okay, so how to get 16? 4 square. How to get 25? 5 square. So I can put some whole thing square because 4 square 16. A square is a square. Minus is still minus. Got minus here only can use the method. 5 square is 25. Okay. So okay. So only you can use this method. 4a and 5, 4a 5, 4a and 5, 4a 5. Because here is minus, here you can put plus and minus. Because when you expand back, you can get back this answer. This answer. This is the method. Because 4a times 4a, 16a squared. 4a times negative 5, negative 28. 5 positive 5 times 4a, 28. So negative 20a plus 20a is 0. So no, nothing here. So positive 5 times negative 5, positive times negative, negative. 5 times 5, 25. Can you see the method? So for this situation, 4a and 5, 4a 5, 4a, 5. One positive, one negative. You can put negative, positive first. Also can, up to you. Must be equal 0. Must remember equal 0, no equal 0, no marks. Okay, 4a plus 5 equal to 0. 4a minus 5 equal to 0. So positive 5 bring over negative 5. So 4 bring over divide. So negative 5 over 4. So 4a equal to negative minus 5. Negative 5 bring over positive 5. So 4a multiply bring over here 4. For answer in fraction. Don't put decimal. Can be proper fraction or improper fraction. Usually like this can be. Because solve, find the answer. Example 6. Solve quadratic equation by by factoring. This one got 3. So this now got 2, only use the two, either that 2 method. Yours was 3 different method. So you can use the cross method also can. Okay. So partition. You can have thing we draw, or you can draw this method also can. You use calculator also can. Later I teach you how to use calculator. So solve, also find the value answer for x, value of x. So this is x squared. So here is you don't use the method, use this one straight away can also. Okay, this one more complicated but those can use this one, use this method also. Here x squared plus 7x plus 6. So how to get 6? 1 times 6 you get 6. 2 times 3 also can, but I cannot get 7. 2 plus 3, or 3 minus 2 you can get 7. Only 1 plus 6 is 7. So I use 1 6. Because all positive, positive. Then, okay, then 1 plus 6 is 7. Positive, all positive, positive. You don't believe me? You can multiply that x times x, x squared, plus 1x, 1x, plus 6x, 6x, 6 plus 1, 7x. 1 times 6, 6 positive. Okay, because positive. Or use this method, x squared. Okay, this one very common. People use x times x squared. Either 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. Okay, because I cannot get 7, so 2 plus 3 or minus also cannot get 7. Only 2 plus 6 you get 7. So I use 1 6. 6 1 or 1 6 is okay. Same place. Any method also can. Then positive, and these are all positive, so everything must be positive. So what positive, positive, positive. 1 times 6, 6. Same. Express same. Uh, Positive 1 times x, positive 1x. Positive 6 times x, positive 6x. Here cannot multiply, here plus minus only. Plus 1 plus 6 plus 7. Plus 7x plus 7x. Can you see? So here answer x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 6 plus 6. X plus 1 equal to 0, x plus 6 equal to 0. So 1 bring over negative 1. 6 bring over negative 6. So to answer. Example 7. Solve quadratic equation. X squared minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Use this method also can. Okay. This is x squared, so x squared. 8 will be either 1 times 8 or 2 times 4. Okay, solve means find the answer for x. Okay, use calculator later on. So from here, how to get 2? 1 plus 8 or minus cannot. So use 2, 4. 2, 2 plus 4 is 6, cannot get 2. So 4 minus 2 you get 2. So you use 2, 4. So you can use 4, 2, 2, 4. Anywhere also can. Okay, so we want to see positive, negative. Okay, here negative means one must be positive, one must be negative. You know, you got wrong. If this one you put plus, minus, you can get answer, then you change. Minus, plus, change until you get answer. Only one answer. And here negative. So if negative, that means the big number must be negative. So the big number negative, small number positive. So positive, positive, x squared, same. Negative, positive, negative. 2, 4 times 2, 8. So negative 8. And from here, negative 4 times x, negative 4x. X times positive 2, positive 2x. Negative 4 plus 2, negative 2x. You can use calculator. So same or not? Same. Then from here, I can use answer x minus 4, x minus 4, x plus 2, x plus 2. X minus 4 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0. Minus 4 bring over positive 4. Positive 2 bring over negative 2. So to answer. Okay, you can use calculator or watch the next slide on how to use calculator. Okay, solve this one. Just now the one example. Okay.
Hello，大家好，我是贝尔老师。今天呢，我要教大家怎么用 calculator 来的 quadratic equation 的日子。你准备好了吗？那我们现在来看这个 quadratic equation Boltzmann quadratic 的 general form，OK？、好，那 Boltzmann quadratic equation 的 general form 是长这个样子的 ，ax square 加 bx 加 c，OK？、然后这个呢是一定是 power two。如果你看到它是3啊、4啊，还是 negative 1啊、negative 2，除了2以外，它都不是这个 quadratic equation Boltzmann quadratic，OK？、这个是它的第一个条件。那第二个条件是什么呢？它的 a 不可以等于0，所以有2个条件都成立这一个 quadratic equation，OK？、好。那我们认识了这个 quadratic equation 的 general form 过后呢，当然我们要来认识这个 coefficient a, b and c，OK？、这个是那个 quadratic equation。那这个 quadratic equation 的 coefficient a 是什么？就是这个 a，x square 全面的数字，所以 a 等于多少 ？a 等于6。那它的 b 是什么 ？b 就是 x 前面的那个数字，它前面没有数字哦，老师，那是什么呢？那它是 e，b 等于1，这里是 e 来的。That's why 它没有写 ，OK？ 那 c 是什么 ？c 是 negative 2，OK？ 那我们再做多一个 example 来看看。a 是什么 ？a 是等于2，b 是什么？等于 negative 5，c 呢 negative 9，OK？ 所以现在我会需要你2个 calculator 来做这2题。来，我们来看第一个 calculator。好，首先这个 example 呢，我会用这一个 calculator 来示范 ，OK？ 你 on 了你的 calculator 过后，你按这个 mod，OK？ 然后在这个你有看到 EQS 吗 ？OK， 这个就是 equation 的意思，然后你就按5，然后你有进入到这一个画面，然后你有看到这个 ax square 加 bx 加 c 等于0吗？这个就是 quadratic equation， 所以你就按3。然后它就会跳去这个画面，它就问你的 a 是什么 ，b 什么 ，c 什么，你就要输入哦。OK，b 你的 a 是等于6，你就按等于 b 什么 ，b equals to half。那下一个答案呢，你就按这个往下去，它就会是第二个答案等于 negative 2 over 3，你就找到你的 roots 啊。OK， 好，现在我们看另外一个 calculator。OK， 这个 calculator 是570 ms 的。同样，你 on 了过后呢，你按 mod 1次、2次、3次，直到你看到 EQM 这个，然后呢，你按1，然后呢，你这里会看到一个 unknown， 这个不是你要的。OK， 你按过去。看到 degree 了没有？这个就是 degree 2，OK， 因为它是 square， 所以它是 degree 2。OK， 你按2了过后，你会看到这个画面，就是有一个 A 问号，它就是问你 A 是什么？你的 A 是什么？你的 A 是2，你就按2等于，然后 B 是什么 ？B 是 negative 5等于 C 什么 ？negative 9等于。你按好了过后呢，它就会自动跳出那个答案。那它的答案就是 x 等于3.72。那下一个答案是什么？你就按下键，然后它就会 second x 就等于 negative 1.212，你就很轻松的可以找到你的 roots 啊。学会了吗
？Okay, so we continue. Okay, example 8, solve quadratic equation. So this one factorize. Before factorize, you see this is 2 at the bottom. You need to bring over. So 2 bring over. Okay, you can straight away multiply also can. 2 times 7, 14 t. 2 times negative 4, negative negative 2 times 4, 8. Okay, then you need to bring together, make sure the t square it must positive, so positive. 14t bring over negative, negative bring over positive 8. Equal 0 must be equal 0 general form. Without equal 0, they don't accept. Then from here, you need to use uh, this one method. Everything this method, no problem. 3, 1 times 3. So 1 and 3. T and t, t square. 8 is either 1 times 8 or 2 times 4. So I can try 1 by times 8 also can. 1 if 8 here, 1 here, 8 plus 3, you get 14 or not? Cannot. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay. 8 minus 3, you get 5 only. So you get use 2, 4. Okay. 4, you can put 4, 2 here also again. 2 times 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10 only. Cannot get 14. So you can put 2 here, 4 here. 4 plus times 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. That's how I can see. Okay, you cannot, never mind. You can write down, cannot get the correct answer, then you do again until you get one correct answer. So 2 times 4 is 8. Because this is positive, so both is either positive or negative. Look here is negative. Don't have not be all positive if we want to get negative here. So both negative. Negative, negative, positive. 2 times 4, 8. Positive 8. Then for t plus times negative 2, negative 2t. Negative, negative, 4 times 3, 12t. 12t. Negative 2t minus negative 12t using calculator. Negative 2 minus 12, negative 14t. Now t square is t. This one 8 same. 8 is same here. 3t square is same. Negative 14t is same. Okay. Then only I can get the correct answer. 3t minus 2, 3t minus 2, t minus 4, t minus 4. So 3t minus 2 equal to 0. So negative 2 bring over positive 2. 3 bring over divide. So 2 over 3. Okay. T minus 4, negative 4 bring over positive 4. Okay. Answer solve. Then example 9, sketch graph. This one sketching. So when you sketch graph, it means it's not draw graph, no need graph paper. And no need to have the correct full scale. And use pencil when you sketch or draw, because when you do it wrongly, you can rub. Sharp pencil you don't have a blunt pencil. So sketch graph this one. Okay. So you can use any values. Okay, you see reasonable, you use any values. So if I use x and y, I put here. Okay, so if I put you want to ignore a few ones also can, up to you. No need to have so many. You want to put three only values also can. Two values too later. Okay, so if negative 2, I put here negative 2. Okay, if let's say x negative 2, x negative 1, 0, 1, 2, x negative 2, put inside. Okay, see got other method or not. Okay, so x negative 2, okay, negative 2, negative 2 here, put square plus 4. Use calculator, you get y or hx equal to negative 4. Then you put negative 1, put inside also negative 1, put bracket, negative 2, bracket, negative 1 square plus 4, you get answer calculator 2. 0, put inside negative 2, bracket, 0 square plus 4, calculator you get 4. 1, so negative 2, bracket, 1 square plus 4, you get 2, answer calculator. 2, negative 2, bracket, 2 square plus 4, you get answer calculator negative 4. Then you can draw the graph. Okay, x, y is hx, so you write hx, x you write x, so you can draw like this. Must have arrow. Use pencil, pencil, ruler, some ruler. When you draw a curve, cannot have use ruler, just simple curve only, no need to be exact. So x negative 2, let's say x is negative 2 here, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, it's like this simple only. Y negative 4, x negative 2, y negative 4. So it's here. Okay, then use 0, 4 also can. You want to find this one also can. X 0, x 0 is 0. So x 0, y is 4. 4 here. Because here negative 4, here 4 lah. 2 negative 4. 2 is here. 2 negative 4. Then draw a curve. Just simple curve. This one. Okay, this one is not a computer problem. Then you draw, put 3 points. Must put at least 3 points. 2 negative 4, 0 4, then 2 negative 4. Okay, this is drawing. Okay, and this also can be the answer. Then we look at example 10. Okay, a stone is thrown vertically upward from a platform. Okay, the distance h meter of the stone from the ground is given by h equal to 6 plus 11t minus 2t squared, where t is the time in seconds after throw. What, when does the stone hit the ground? Okay, so understanding, you can draw a diagram. Stone throw upward, then after that fall down. It's like when draw the graph, it's like this is not the graph. When you draw the graph and have the value, it's like quadratic. This one is because this one is given quadratic. Can you see? T squared quadratic. Okay, quadratic function. So if you, the graph is like this because it's negative t squared, so it's u n shape. Okay, the stone throw and then is throw and then goes down. This is the ground. Okay, here is 0. Go up and then she will come down. Okay, t is the time after the throw. You throw the throw here to here the time. Okay, when does the stone hit the ground? When distance is h, means h is distance here to here. How long? Okay, This distance of the stone from the ground is h, the height after throwing. Okay, the height. Then when does the stone hit the ground? That means that's why the h is ground is 0. Here is 0. Okay. Here is increasing maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 meters, 6 meter, then back to 0. So h equal to 0. So 6 plus 11t minus 2t squared equal to 0. Then you rearrange so that t squared must be in front. So negative t squared must be in front. Negative cannot be negative, must be positive. So I bring over negative 2 become positive 2t squared. 2 positive 2 squared. Positive 11t bring over negative 11t. 6 bring over negative 6. Then from here I can use, you can cheat a bit, use calculators actually. But I will teach you use the parameter lah. So 2 plus 1 times 2 lah. So t square lah. So 2 times 1, 2, t times t square. Then the 6 is either 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. So I think 3, 2 and 3 cannot because I see at least I know already. I want to get 11. So I use 1, 6 because 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 1, I get 11. So I use 1, 6. So 1, 6. You use 6, 1, 1, 6 again, but cannot find answer, then you change until it's the answer. So it's 6 times 2, 12. 12 minus 1, 11. Then because here is negative, one must be positive, one must be negative. Which one positive, which one negative? The big one must be negative because here negative. So here bigger, so I put negative. Here positive. Because here multiply is negative. Okay, don't look at this number alone. You must look when you multiply. Positive, negative, negative. 1 times 6, 6. So it's negative 6. Same. Positive 1 plus t, positive 1t. Negative, 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 positive, negative 1. 6 times 2, 12. 12t. Positive 1 minus 12, negative 11. T. Same. Then 2t plus 1. 2t plus 1. T minus 6. T minus 6. Okay, 2t plus 1 equal to 0. T minus 6 equal to 0. So 1 bring over negative 1. 2 multiply bring over divide 2. Then 6 bring over negative 6 become positive 6. Then this one not accepted because time may got negative. Time not positive. So this answer. You must write not accepted. Right here. Right here. Then we look at example 11. Which of the following graph represent y equal to x squared minus 1? Okay. So we can look here the shape. Okay. X squared is positive, so U shape. Either here or here. Here cannot. It's N shape. Maximum. Minimum. Positive minimum. Then negative 1. Y is negative 1. So negative 1 touch at Y, negative 1. Because here no X. Okay, no X is the Y intercept. So negative 1. Here it's not Y. It's touch at X. It's touch at 1, negative 1. So this is the answer. Or you can replace also can. You can replace, use the value to replace. This value is coordinate 0, negative 1. And replace inside x0, you replace, you keep one negative 1 now. If n k, that is the answer. You try this one, cannot. This one is negative 1, 0. Replace the x with negative 1. Can you find the answer is y0? Cannot. That is not the answer. But this one situation can, because this one also got negative 1, 0. But this one other point, there no other point, so very difficult to find out. But you can see from here, y-intercept is -1, so must touch y-intercept -1. Must touch y-axis